Hello everyone. Today we're going to do Hawaiian theme projects. I have 4 cards that I made using the Spellbinders June 2026 All Clubs crate items, and I'm going to focus on a few of them. This is the June 2026 Hibiscus Bloom. It is the Press Plus foil of the month, and it's just gorgeous. This is a huge hibiscus flower. I decided to press foil into a peach color cardstock, and I believe it's Bellini color wheel cardstock. And then I just added a tiny bit of detailed blending with a detailed blending brush with just a few colors of green and sort of salmon color, if you will. I don't know the exact name of the ink, but it's dye ink and it blends just nicely, just perfectly to color it. And I added some color into the leaves as well. I used a few shades of ink for this. I think 2 ink cubes for this particular project. Then I decided to cut it down a little bit, and I'm going to go, this includes this dye, this border dye for the hibiscus. And so I'm going to do the border, and I'm going to make it be a frame. For the background, I'm just dry embossing that with a 3D embossing folder, and I'm placing with foam tape the hibiscus panel along with the sentiment, which was also done with black hot foil. So I did the sentiment in a different one. I wanted it to stand out a little bit more for the sentiment, and that's just beautiful. I love that project. Now we have these Penguin Paradise dies. That is a die set that's part of the bonus items that you get with the All Clubs crate for June 2026. And I just love it. It comes with 1 set of dies for each penguin. So I just did them twice and decorated them. I ink blended the pieces, and all of it was done with white cardstock with a little bit of ink blending, even the black part of the penguins. And so I did the same with the ink blending and cutting in white for this beautiful set. This one is called Aloha Hula, and that is also one of the bonus items with the All Clubs crate June 2026. And so all of these pieces were cut out in white. Then I used ink blending to die cut all the little pieces. These are the stamps that come out that die cut and are ready to go. I have lots of sentiments. I used a lot of them with these kits. And so now I'm just going to assemble the card front. I used the die that came with it to make a grounding element, and then a little sign there and a lantern and the girl. And so this makes a really sweet Hawaiian themed tropical card. So these have different sentiments for each card, different themes. And this is the clear Stampin' Die of the month. I love this. It has directions like beach directions, sunset, etc. And it also comes with these cute dies that complement it. This is a clear Stampin' Die of the month, but it cuts out the sentiments, and it also has these die cut elements like the wooden sign and the arrows and the fun elements there you can put together. Pick and choose what you want. And I just made a sign with a lot of them, and I'm just adding some glue and some foam tape to adhere this all to the card front. And that is that one. That is called, let's see, what is that one called? It is called, let's see, clear stamp. It's called This Way to Paradise. So I hope you like this and give it a try. Thanks so much, guys.